So hello guys, welcome back to Electronics Pitara. This is Aditya and welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to learn how to order a PCB on the JLC PCB website. So in the last video in June 2020, I taught you how to design few PCBs on the other channel Close to Get. I'll be putting a card up here, so you check out that video too. So I hope you have designed many of these projects and now you are wishing to order these. So I would recommend to use JLC PCB. So JLC PCB is a China-based manufacturer, and I have also ordered from it once for the drone, and it appeared to be good. It was best. So let's see how to order. So first, let's get started. So before ordering on JLC I would love that you follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook page, and my Twitter. All the links in the description, and username will be Electronics Pitara. So now let's see how to order on the site. So open your web browser and in your search engine type JLC. After the search results have loaded, find the https jlcpcb.com and click on the link. After this, the home page of the JLC PCB will open, where you'll have to sign in. So as it asks, I'll sign in here as I have a account already, and because of the cache, it automatically signed in, or the passport, the signed passport would have opened, and you can use your account here or make one. After which, you can edit your dimensions here and choose the number of PCBs you want, even the number of layers you want. 2 layer, 1 layer, 6 layer. They allow 6 layers, 6 layers, and what amount of thickness you want. It's 2 mm, till 2 mm, and after which you can press on quote now, which will open a new page. But before that you quote, log on to your designer site or designer application, and the one I'm using here is EasyEDA, and I'll open the designer here, and after which choose the PCB you want to go for printing, and I'm basically choosing the upcoming project that I'm making. I'll go for file, and then I'll in the file area I'll select generate PCB fabrication. It's up to you. You want to check the design rule check. If you think your design is you don't want to check the design rule check, then you can go for no generate Gerber. But I basically see to it that I check this. And here's an option where you can directly generate a Gerber file, or you can directly place an order on the site, but I'll just generate the Gerber. Those who are going for the SMT services, they provide like the soldering services. You have to also export the BOM file, and I'll export the BOM file here, and also I'll export the pick and place file. So you don't need to mirror the coordinates of the components if you are going for JLC PCB, and if you have a panelized components coordinates, you can include, but I don't have, so I'll go with export here. And after which I'll come back to the site which has loaded now. I'll add my Gerber file from this button here. You can even drag and drop, and I'll open this. So as soon as this loads, you can so as soon as it loads, you can see here it will automatically generate a Gerber view, as well as it will detect the amount of layers and the dimensions your PCB has. And now you can see the PCB quantity you can select. Minimum is 5, as it cuts down on the manufacturing cost. Else it would be very costly for them to manufacture just one prototype. You can go up to 80,000 PCBs, but I'm ordering only 5 for my basic project. After which I'll be delivery format is the single PCB. If you have a single PCB design is as it is. Then if you have panelized PCB, they'll provide panel by GLC PCB or panel by customer. But I'll go for single PCB right now. PCB thickness, they have already identified it. If not, you can go for whatever requirements you have. 0. 0.4 is the thinnest and 2 mm is the thickest, but I'll go for 1.6. If you're beginning, I'll suggest the settings I am telling you, but if you have some changes, go for it. Now the PCB color is nothing but the solder mask. So the green solder mask has the fastest turnaround, whereas you can also go for red, yellow, blue. And if I want fast delivery, so I'll go for green. Then the surface finish, I'll tell you here, the HASL with lead is the best for beginners. But if you wanna go for lead free, thinking there are chemical hazards and all, health hazards, you can go for lead free as well, ROHS. And NH ROHS is for basically the industry purpose. The higher industrial people use this. Now, if you are coming on to copper weight, if it's a light usage PCB, a 1 oz copper will be able to handle. Now for the 2 O's, if you think it should be able to resist around high voltages and heavy purposes, you can go for 2 O's. Gold fingers, nothing but your PCB comes with a gold plating on the edges, gold fingers known as. I don't need that. It's your choice if you want. If you choose gold fingers or gold plated for the connecting edges, like you have sometimes PCBs that have to be connected to each other, so you need gold plates because they have a good conductivity and connections. I don't have such things. I basically have this charger module, so I don't need this. And flying probe test, I would recommend you do it fully tested. It does not affect the costing. So you go for it, and it's one of the best parts they have. So there's a flying robot that will test everything, all connections and properly. No castellated holes. I think we don't need castellations. So they are half series of half holes. I don't need the castellated holes. And for the order number, you can remove order number, but they'll cost you $1.5. And if you do not, they can print it anywhere. Usually they print it on the back side. And if you specify location, you'll have to put something like this. I'll show you here. On the bottom side or wherever you want it to be. Like I have put it here. Put it here like GLC, GLC, GLC. So this is the text you want to put it here. So they'll identify this, and I specify it in the advanced options. If you're making heavy ammunitions and all, you can go for 4-wire Kelvin test. Whereas for paper between PCBs, they just cost you double, and it's not that worth, because I know I've ordered them and they're scratchless. So I am going with paper between PCBs and no. Then you have SMT services, and I have got a coupon which gives me free SMT assembly. And if you want a stencil, you can go for a stencil with framework or no framework, and that's all here. Dimensions, yes custom size or no custom size, and what stencil size you want, quantity, electro polishing, and if you want fiducial. Any stencil remarks you can put here, any PCB remarks you can put here. For SMT assembly now, like if you're opting here, you can opt for only one. Is it stencil or assembly? I'm going for assembly. So if there are parts that are not available in JLC PCB assembly parts library, it won't be placed. And so these are some restrictions, and they only assemble on one side. So remember that that you place your components on one side or you put maximum of it on one side, and some soldering you can do it on your own. Now tooling holes are nothing but they are specific marks on your PCB that help robot pick and place machine to identify where to keep the components. And if you think GLC PCB may put it wrong, you can put it on your own. And they have also given you this instruction, so you can check that link too. And if you want them to do, I offer that, and I agree to the terms and conditions of JLC PCB SMT services. You need to agree. You can even read them, and we'll go for then next. You should check your shipping because shipping to India from China is like a little bit expensive. It's just double the cost, but if it's I think it's necessity, so we need. And FedEx, if you go for FedEx or any shipping, remember for foreign shipping you will have to have your KYC done through the courier company, and then we'll have to go next. And after which, as I've selected SMT, so it will now I'll have to port the SMT services. If you will not port SMT services, you can forward this video 2 to 3 minutes ahead and check see how the checkouts goes. And if you're still not exported your BOM files and click in place, do that. And now as the site's ready, I'll add my BOM file here. BOM is nothing but bill of material, and the CPL is the pick and place. And if you're not sure if your designing services do not provide any BOM or pick and place, you can view their sample once, download it and make it yourself. And next, I'll go next. And now, so after you have uploaded your BOM file, a page like this will be opened, and the uploaded BOM data is here on this side, and the reviewed match part. So they had reviewed some, but I changed them here. So you can see most of them I changed as per my my needs. And if you think your part is not available, you can just match part details. It will search the footprint, and you'll have to change it to the part name you have. Like I'll search it here, LM7805. Make sure you have selected the right one. Like I'll select this. So any of you can, any of the ones you need, you can choose that. And there are 2 pages, so will go with this. And the last one is a diode. So yeah, this one. And you can check the product unit price, and according to that you can calculate here whatever the one you need here. And here also there are 6 items. Do remember that if you choose a reel one, you have to buy the whole reel. And yeah, that's all here we got. You can choose any of the parts you want, and after you have done this, you'll have to operate. You have to confirm the board, and you can select next. After which, finally the checkout is here. You can also change it selected by personal and all that, and you can download your parts. And if you have any unselected part, there will be an option to download that part too. And now you can save this to cart, and after your save cart is done, it will open the cart page where you can edit your orders and all. So that's it. And if you still have problem, you can go to the not the SLC, but SLC this site you can go, and the cart is node. You can edit here whatever your requirements are, and if you are satisfied you can secure checkout, and there are many options. And so you see how easy it was to order PCBs on JLC PCB site within a few minutes, and it was very inexpensive. So I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. That's it. Thanks for watching.